Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share your presentation on Microsoft Teams meeting. So I have this meeting right here that I am in, and all you want to do, you can just open up your presentation, okay? And then you go to Microsoft Teams, and here you click on share, click here on screen, okay? And then what I want you to do, since your screen is being shared, you can see a preview here as well. You can just come here, click on slideshow, click on from current slide, and then begin showing your slides. So as you can see, here it says we're basically sharing our screen. You can see there as well. At any point of time, you can just go ahead and press the escape button on your keyboard. Then just come here, click on stop sharing as well. And there you go. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.